Yes, this is a computer lesson for primary three, second week, and here we'll be talking about input devices, and the lesson is being presented by Mr. Moses Augustine Garba. And the topic outline, we are going to be defining input devices and then state some examples of input devices. Then the objective of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to define input devices and give or state some examples of input devices. Also, they should be able to identify input devices from the computer parts. Now, let's try to define the input devices. The computer input devices are the part of the computer that are used to send data into the computer. Yes. When you switch on your computer, there are some part of the computer that you use to operate the computer. Those part of the computer you use to operate the computer are input devices, because what you are doing by operating the computer is sending data into the computer, telling the computer what you want the computer to do for you or whatever, and then the computer accepts it, processes it, and then gives you what you want. So this part, if you notice that when you switch on your computer, what you do or use is something like the computer keyboard. Yes, the computer keyboard is that part of the keyboard from the picture that you can see now. That rectangular part of the computer that has many buttons. We call the buttons keys. So that's why we call it the keyboard. We press these buttons to send data into the computer or to tell the computer what we want, and then the computer will actually do it for us. Now the second one there is the mouse, that small part of it that has a long tail that looks like a rat. So the mouse has only two buttons and a scroll. The buttons are used for clicking, right click or left click, and this is used to select options or items on the screen of the computer. Then we have a scanner. A scanner is that one that is flat, as you can see from the picture, and the name is there. Scanner is flat. This scanner is used to send printed pictures or documents into the computer. For instance, you want to send the picture of your certificate or the picture you snapped from any amusement park or whatever, you like it, or inside studio, you like the picture, you want to send it into your computer. After printing the picture, you just collect it and use your scanner, and you can send that picture into your computer. Then we have light pen. That light pen you see, though the picture of light pen is not as in here, but it is right from our first page. You see we have light pen there. It looks like biro. It is used for writing on the computer screen direct to the computer. Then we have joystick, which is, if you look at joystick, that game pad contains joystick where we use it to play computer games. And from the pictures here, you can see trackball, that is a mouse, the type of mouse that is called trackball. Then we have webcam. Webcam is the computer camera that is used you can use it to snap, and you can use it to see somebody that you are communicating with. Maybe even that person is as far as anywhere, you can use webcam to get his picture. As you are talking to him, you'll be seeing him. And you have ordinary external camera also that you, you use to snap picture on the computer. So these are examples of input devices. Well, I did not talk about microphone. We all know microphone. We use it during our assembly. That's microphone that you hold close to your mouth and talk, and you hear your voice on the speaker very, very loud. So microphone is also an input device. So thank you. These are the examples of input devices. Remember, I am going to still go on and summarize what we have just learned right now before I will close down. Now, we have actually learned that the computer input devices are the part of the computer that are used to send data into the computer. And the example includes the keyboard, the mouse, the scanner, the light pen, the joystick, webcam, microphone, etc. The one we noticed in just previous thing. All of them are input devices. Thank you. God bless you.